This is Euonymus Happiness, a fantastic slow-growing evergreen that will form a glowing mound of attractive foliage. New foliage begins pale green before fading to pale yellow. After a while, the yellow matures into a rich egg-yolk colour, contrasting nicely against the green stems. The older leaves eventually turn dark green, which contrasts significantly with the newer leaves. With the various rates of colour change, you've got a bright plant which will give your garden year-round interest. Euonymus is a tough plant, tolerant of many conditions. It can take the high winds of a coastal garden and cope with the pollution in a more urban setting. Euonymus is excellent in garden borders or containers and prefers a spot in partial shade or full sun. It will grow in any soil and reach around 60 cm high and 70 cm wide at maturity. It comes supplied in approximately 1.5 to 2.5 litre containers. If you want to learn more about this plant or any other shrubs and trees, visit gardeningexpress.co.uk, where you'll find this and hundreds of other plants ready to order. Thanks for watching and enjoy your garden.